Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from raeshadbeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And today we are going to be learning how to make boom bap hip hop beats. Basically, a boom bap is a very simple yet effective and original, I would say, original instrumental that originated in New York. I would say examples would be like the boom clap, like just basic simple percussion over a beautiful loop. And the thing is with boom bap beats, they can be very easy once you understand their formula. So we're gonna go ahead and actually get started, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to start off with a piano. Matter of fact, let's do FL keys, something everybody has. And hold on, I gotta turn my MIDI on. So let's turn my MIDI back on. Cool. Now let's get a nice tempo going. I want something maybe. Matter of fact, I want something. Let's do like 90, 99. What we're gonna start with first, we're gonna start with a simple piano melody. Let's go ahead and see what type of chords we can create first, and then we're gonna start layering our percussion. So let's start with that real quick. I kind of like that chord, and that is A, C sharp, E, G sharp, and C sharp. We're just gonna change our last two. So let's go ahead. All right, our next chord will be D sharp, G sharp, C, D sharp. And you can even add a G sharp after the D sharp, but however you feel. Let's see how it sounds. And basically, how I treat my boom baps, I like them very simple. I'll have like a simple piano melody and just loop it. It doesn't sound like much, but I'm going to show you exactly how it all breaks down. So now that we have a simple body, just a simple loop, we'll extend it later. Let's go ahead and add some percussion. I'll drop a kick in there. And usually I like to start with my kicks when it comes to boom baps. One third step it. And then we'll just loop that to the 2 as well. So one thing I learned about boom bap beats, you gotta have a good rhythm with your kick to really set the tone. If you don't, it's not gonna sound, you're not gonna get that boom. You're not gonna get the boom that we need. So now that we have a nice decent kick line, let's go ahead and start adding some more snares, and let's see what type of sounds we can create. Sound selection is key when it comes to boom baps. I like this better. It sounds way better. So now we have our basics down. So I'm gonna do a couple more things. Another thing I like doing, I like adding swing. And to add swing to any of your instruments, you go to your channel settings like so, click on any instrument, go to function right here to the far right, go down to where it says offset, and you could turn this up and it'll give you basically I would say a swing. This will allows you to activate the swing of the instrument. Do the same thing for the kick and the snare. Okay, now that we have just a simple little loop, let's go ahead and start adding a nice sub bass, like a really deep sub bass, just to give it that boom, 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 boom. You're gonna see. Let's go ahead and see what we got. So we have a sub right here, and I'm gonna cut this sub in half by clicking cut itself. I'm gonna press mono on the poly, go to sample. I'm gonna turn the loop off, and I'm gonna go to send to piano roll. And usually, like I do in my previous tutorials, I'll press Control up on the arrow key to give, or to listen to a better tone for the 808. So the root note for this beat is A. There we go. Now that I have basically the whole body of the beat, I'm going to finalize this by adding one more counter melody, and we're basically done. So let's see what we got. Two. I messed up. All right, but that's cool. So I'm gonna keep it simple like that, and then we're just gonna loop this to the 3. And do the same thing for your other patterns. Loop that, highlight, drag, Control B. And then for these last notes, just like how we do in our other tutorials, we're going to make this last note different. There we go, that's cool. And that, my friends, is basically how you create a boom bap beat. Simply put, as you can see, it's not too much going on. We have 2 counter melodies. We have a kick drum, a snare, a hi-hat, an extra perk, and a sub. Just simple, regular musical arrangements, I would say. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in to another Beatnerd 101 tutorial. If you guys enjoy this tutorial, please leave a comment and subscribe. We appreciate everybody tuning in. Be on the lookout for more tutorials just like this. And also, if you haven't got your hands on that Beatnerd 101 video course, I suggest and advise that you go and click the link below, sign up, and be sure to check out our packaged up videos. So with that being said, man, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Rashad Beats, Beatnerd 101 out. Peace.